many different treatments that are approved for use on honeybees.
Oh, he's gonna sting me.
Apivar is a chemical-based treatment. There's Amitraz, Amitraz is the active ingredient in Apivar. There's thymol-based products, there's formic-based products. Every one of them has a time that they can be used and a time that they can't be used. Or when they're a time that they're more effective than others. Some treatments are approved while there's harvestable honey supers on, and some aren't approved to use while there's harvestable honey supers on.
Okay.
What else do you want to know?
That's basically it.
Some are also temperature sensitive. They can't be used if the
did say that.
temperatures are too hot.
Yeah.
So there's several to select from, and that's when you as a beekeeper have to make a decision on what you want to use.
Okay, so you said something about the little blue things, the shop towels.
Yeah,
because I've never heard anybody.
That's a Randy Oliver experimented treatment.
Okay.
It's an oxalic-based treatment.
Okay.
But it has not been approved.
Okay, gotcha.
It's one of the big hurdles that I know Randy's trying to overcome.
Okay.
But oxalic vaporization has been approved. There's two different delivery methods.
Okay.
Vaporization is the oxalic crystals are heated and vaporized through the honey or through the colony. But the oxalic base does not penetrate brood cappings.
Okay.
Where your formic acid based treatments does penetrate brood capping. Again, every treatment has its positives and its negatives, when you can use it, when it works better than other times. So it's up to the beekeeper to make that decision.
So what about Swiffers? Have you heard about people using Swiffers for beehive beetles?
Yeah, small hive beetle.
That's it. I'm still getting these names right.
It's unscented Swiffer sheets.
Okay.
Yes, we actually use them.
Okay.
Down here, we don't have an issue up north with the small hive beetle, but down here we use unscented Swiffer sheets.
Well, you're a wealth of knowledge. I appreciate you so much.
And they work. Ask Frankie. Yeah, they work. They work down here. I like them again because I'm cheap.
Right.
Unscented Swiffer sheets are cheap.
Yeah.
There are beetle blaster, beetle traps, oil-filled beetle traps, but as long as we stay on them with the Swiffer sheets, they seem to work.
Okay, great. I appreciate that. I decided to record this because if I get it loaded up, it's not just for me.
It can't go on America's Most Wanted.
Okay.
You won't see me again down here next year.
I hope to see you again. Thank you very much.
Yeah, I won't ask anybody. He was saying first time.
Randy stayed busy. We have not here.
So what's your name?
Dean.
Dean? Nice to meet you, Dean. Thank you for all your information. I'm going to make a video.
I was glad.
For real. Huh? I am going to make a video.
If this goes on America's Most Wanted, I'm
I don't know,
you're not going to see me.
I can't help that. No, it ain't going to happen.
His name's Dave. Dave's not here.
Dave's not who?
I had a blast.
That's me. There was a lot of people there.
Probably. Oh, I don't know.
I don't know whether it's working.
I'm just going to brave my hand here. How about that?
Yeah, and Samantha, just watch Kind the Queen. I won't, I'll lift it up, but I'm not going to pass that around.
Yeah. She finds the queen, she won't show you. She hasn't ever shown me the queen.
Yeah, I'm a sweat.
And then we got another hive that was it was all built on the outside of it. Yeah, they're still got a watching here took it out.
What am I looking at here? So this is
Are these all like honey?
He comes up about 8 times, probably.
We're going to find out together. I guess he's on my hive.
I don't thought it's healthy to cover.
Does it move in every direction?
Oh, okay.
That's my best guess. Purely. do this one. So that was third home, and the top frame, it looks like it was third home that they scraped off. So it's like a remnant.
It's got to be a new cat top
Yeah.
They'll go from California to over here. They'll follow the blueberries, strawberries. So we talked about getting up with them and getting them to put, 100, 200.
That would be fun. You would see me running.
So this is a very true story. I need new elastic in my jacket. I've needed it for like 2 years, and I just have.